Welcome to the Spring 21 Release Readiness presentations for Revenue Cloud, formerly known as CPQ and Billing. My name is Arun Gunari, and I'm a Senior Product Manager at Salesforce, part of the Revenue Cloud team. Before I begin, just a quick note that you should base your purchasing decisions on products and services that are currently available. Today, I'm here to introduce an exciting new capability for the Advanced Approvals feature, part of CPQ Plus and billing packages. With the Spring 21 release, we are introducing Advanced Approval APIs for approve and reject user actions. Using APIs, customers can surface advanced approval steps into their existing tools and processes, thereby not requiring users to log into Salesforce CPQ. We are fully aware that delivering a quote on a timely basis is a critical step in the sales workflow. In order to ensure that the approvals on quotes can happen on a timely basis, some customers want to integrate advanced approval capabilities with other tools they use in their selling workflow. This avoids the approval user to have to log in to Salesforce CPQ screens and allows them to take action directly in their tools, such as a collaboration tool or a messaging platform. We are introducing Advanced Approval APIs for approve and reject user actions. With this feature, we are allowing calls from external systems and will make API endpoints available for approve and reject user actions. The Advanced Approval REST APIs are consistent with other Salesforce CPQ APIs. With approve and reject APIs, customers have the flexibility to stitch their own workflows for the key approval user actions. Once the APIs are integrated into the customer workflow, approvers can take actions quickly in the tool of their choice: Salesforce CPQ screens, emails, or a third-party system set up in the customer's landscape. This will increase productivity and reduce the time for approved quotes. Now, let's take a quick walkthrough of the key use cases and see an example. First, the admin use case. By default, the APIs are available for use for our CPQ Plus customers leveraging the Advanced Approvals feature. In case the customer admin decides to turn off access to the Advanced Approval APIs, they can do so by a preference in the custom package settings known as Disable Advanced Approval APIs. The next step will be for developers to implement the necessary trigger actions in their systems for users to either approve or reject the record. Please check the developer guide for more details around the API request structure. The APIs will allow you to pass the user's approval or rejection for the record, along with some user comments. To get to the developer guide, simply go to developer.salesforce.com and navigate to the Advanced Approval API section under the Salesforce CPQ API guide. You can also find these details part of the Spring 21 release notes. Here, you can see an example where the opportunity or quote requires an approval. Once the approval is assigned to the user and available in the third-party system, users can initiate the necessary triggers for the approve or reject actions after entering the necessary comments. Once the user triggers the action, the user's approval along with the comments and timestamp is recorded at the Salesforce end. The third-party system can tailor the success message back to the user as desired. This concludes the presentation for the Advanced Approvals Approve and Reject APIs delivered in the Spring 21 release. I will now hand over to my colleague, Tony Perrison, for another exciting update. Thank you.
Thanks, Arun. Hi, everyone. My name is Tony Perrison, and I'm a Director of Product Management on the Revenue Cloud team. Today, I'm excited to talk about an important scale improvement we've made in Spring 21.
We've heard from our customers that they are looking to process very large transactions through CPQ, from quote all the way through to renewal. In recent releases, we delivered scale improvements for the quote to order process and for generating large amendment or renewal quotes. As part of this process, we gathered input from our customers to create a benchmark data shape that represents the complexities of a large enterprise customer. We run our benchmark tests with every release to track performance improvements. In Spring 21, we're continuing to improve scale capabilities across CPQ by addressing scale limitations when contracting from orders. Contracting in CPQ powers the Customer 360 platform by providing a single source of truth for the assets and subscriptions your customers own, and it forms the basis for all amendment and renewal flows. Here we see an order with a large number of order products. On the Details tab, you check the Contracted checkbox, just as before. When the background job completes, a contract will be created along with all of the subscriptions and assets represented by the order products. In Spring 21, over twice as many lines can now be contracted from a single order. Keep in mind that every Salesforce organization has a different configuration, so the number of line items supported in a given org may vary. With Spring 21, you can achieve scale across your business by processing large deals from quote to order to contract to renewal with a consistent experience every step of the way.
That's what's new from Revenue Cloud in Spring 21. Thanks for watching and see you next time.